Why are you scared of buying the dip? Is it named the dip that keeps dipping? Are you waiting for the market bottom? We're going to be discussing all this and more right after you smash that subscribe button and leave a like. Go on, press it. Okay, let's do this. So is buying the dip a profitable strategy? I believe so, yes, when investing in the broad market like the S&P 500. However, when investing in individual stocks, it's inherently a lot more riskier. I like to describe it as trying to catch a falling knife due to the fact that you don't know when the price will rebound, if at all. You buy in and watch your painful losses continue to grow, not knowing when the market may recover. It plays on your emotions, and even when the market does start to recover, you stay patient and wait for the rising trend to begin, thinking this is the beginning of a big rally, only to find it was just a retracement and it continues on its downwards trajectory. Finally you sell, taking a painful loss because you see your money disappearing day by day, but with hopes that you'll buy back in at a lower price. The market continues falling and you feel a sense of relief that you sold, and are beginning to get excited at the fact that all over social media, these so-called big economists, the Jim Cramers, are predicting the stock to fall substantially more, so you stay patient and wait, hoping to catch the market bottom. You watch carefully and the markets start to turn and quickly head upwards. You think it is just a retracement and wait for it to continue its downward trajectory. It keeps heading up and is now above where you sold it. Frustrated and with FOMO setting in, you buy back your original position and even a little extra with a euphoric feeling that the big rally is just getting started. This has turned from buying the dip to now buying the peak. And yes, you guessed it, price starts dropping and you are left feeling distraught again. This is what happens with short-term thinking. This is what happens when your aim is to make money quickly. This is what happens when you risk too much of your portfolio into one position. This is what happens when you're chasing high return. So we shouldn't be asking ourselves whether buying the dip is a proven strategy. We should be asking ourselves, are we investing? Because the principles and core meaning of investing is to risk low with a diversified portfolio of not just stocks but other assets like real estate, crypto, bonds, high yield savings accounts, and to have a long-term goal in mind. Investing is not getting rich quick. It's a long-term plan of slowly building wealth with a moderate return over decades. And we all know this, we've heard it and seen it before, yet no one implements it. I see people looking at their investments at 1 o'clock, then again at 1:30 and getting worried that it's dropped a few percent and thinking of selling. I see people get frustrated that they are losing all their money in stocks and give up thinking that investing is some sort of scam. This is simply gambling, and any money they make is simply luck-based, which they will lose at a later stage if they continue in this way. So yes, I do believe that buying the dip is hugely successful for investors. I also believe that buying the dip is hugely unsuccessful for luck-based gamblers who focus on the short term. Now with all that being said, please do subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.